y'all? It's me, Miss Ruby. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for subscribing. It's 2019, y'all. It is the year of the new, the year of the dude, and as you can see, I got a new dude popping. That was off top. Like, that was straight off top. Like, but for real, you're gonna hear me babble throughout this entire video, so enjoy and leave your comments below, and I hope you come back for more. Before we get started, I'd like to bring you up to speed. I've been on this natural hair journey since late 2017, and after giving birth to my beautiful baby in 2018, my hair has been more challenging to deal with than ever before. To be completely honest, I've wanted to chop it all off, straighten it, and put a weave back in it so much. But every time I'm ready to give up, God gives me a breakthrough instead. So even though I haven't yet reached the pinnacle of success on this curly hair journey, I've learned a ton of great information along the way that has helped me tremendously, and that is what I want to share with you. I'm going to show you how I achieved these curls while demonstrating the 5 things you need to revamp your curls in 2019. First thing you're going to need is patience, or as I like to say, to get your life. That's right, pack your whole life up in a bag, drive it up the freeway an hour away to Auntie Coco's house, take it inside, walk it upstairs, lay it all out on the bed neatly, gently, piece by piece, let it sit overnight, and shake it all out the next day. Because that's how much patience, time, and effort you're gonna need going into wash day. Or at least that's how it's been for me. Which is why I want to do away with calling this hairstyle a wash and go in 2019, because that is the furthest thing from accuracy. No longer will we tell the world that we are wearing wash and goes, when in reality, we are doing far more than washing our hair, and ain't nobody going anywhere anytime soon. The fact is, natural hair, especially transitioning hair like mine, takes patience. I literally spend a minimum of 1 to 3 hours on my hair every week for a style that lasts a few days and ends up in a high bun or ponytail at the end of the week. But I count it all joy, as the good book says, knowing that the testing of my faith produces patience. Number 2, get your study on. Did you know that most water companies in America supply hard water to communities, which is full of heavy metals and chlorine, which are all dangerous for your hair? That's just one game-changing tip I've picked up from studying. It may not seem like an expertise because it's just hair, but trust me, it wouldn't be a multi-billion-dollar industry if there weren't anything worth paying for. Learning the science behind it all is so empowering. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's nothing like having a break from your natural hair responsibilities and just enjoying a protective style once in a while. But when your money is running low, or your stylist cancels on you last minute, or you really just don't feel like having a tension headache for a week while you adjust to your new weave, wouldn't it be nice to still feel just as beautiful without it? So study, watch YouTube videos while you're detangling. When you encounter an issue, Google it. Read as many articles as you need to until it all starts to make sense. You'll get your best learning though from experience. So I strongly suggest giving yourself time. It takes time. It took me a good year of trial and error to learn things like what type of water is best for my curls, how to properly distribute my products so that I'm not overusing and spending more money than necessary, how to properly source products that work best in my hair, what my actual hair type is, how heat and cold affect my hair's ability to receive and retain moisture. There's so much to learn, so I encourage you beauties to embrace the process and enjoy. Almost every natural you see with beautiful hair has done the work necessary, so don't be ashamed if you haven't quite gotten there. As long as you stay the course, you will. Tip number 3, get your set. Yes, girl, get you a set of products that all match. Why? Well, I recently learned about the term pH, which stands for potential of hydrogen, which pretty much measures the level of acidity and alkalinity in your hair products. pH balanced products help to keep your hair balanced, which prevents dryness, breakage, and loss of elasticity. Not all products are made the same though. For instance, a clarifying shampoo has a higher pH, so you would need a lower pH level conditioner to balance it out and leave your hair soft. To make it simple, most product lines are created to work together to keep hair balanced. Mixing your products up isn't always horrible, and sometimes it works fine, but the safest option and the surest option is to get your set, okay? Tip number 4, get your kit. Every curly girl needs a few go-tos in her kit to help her manage her tresses safely. While I'm a strong proponent for doing things on your own, like using my fingers and t-shirts in lieu of combs and towels, I still recommend having these things on deck. So here's a quick list, and I'll link the list below as well. 1, you're gonna want a wide tooth comb to help you with detangling. although I definitely recommend finger detangling first. 2. Some plastic shower caps for deep conditioning or pre-pooing your hair. 3. A microfiber towel or a set of old t-shirts for drying your hair. These are great alternatives to the standard cotton towel, which tends to be a bit abrasive on your strands and definitely contributes to breakage. 4. A hair drying bonnet, or if you fancy, a hooded dryer. There is power in properly using indirect heat to enhance your hair's ability to receive moisture. Great news is the blow dryer attachment is relatively inexpensive. 5. A blow dryer and a diffuser attachment. A diffuser helps to dry your hair in 1/10 of the time it would have taken to get your hair dry on its own, especially in the wintertime. 6. A Denman brush. Honey, let me tell you, this brush right here works wonders at distributing products evenly throughout your hair, especially if your hair is kinky. Now, in case you think it's a lot, I want you to know you can get all of these items for less than $50 total. If you're on a budget, don't think you gotta get the highest end everything just to get started. Tip number 5, get your regimen. Listen, I know it's hard being natural and especially naturally curly. It is legit a lifestyle change. I don't care what anybody says. It's not just about products, not just about processes, but a lifestyle change, meaning the food you eat to the places you go and the clothes you wear. This is why a regimen for your hair care is so important. For instance, my regimen should account for the fact that I live in the desert, it's currently wintertime, and I have an 8-month-old pulling on my hair daily. So, washing my hair twice a week is out because it's unrealistic that I'll have the time or energy to do that. And it's cold. That means my hair can easily get dried out. So, daily spritzing with leave-in conditioner is helpful for me. Weekly deep conditioning is necessary. Having just given birth, I lost a lot of protein in my hair, so bi-weekly rice water rinses and monthly protein treatments are great. The key is to find what your hair needs and pair it with what you can realistically keep up with doing. Natural hair takes time to recover, so it's important to put your regimen to use consistently over a period of time if you expect to experience magic. To determine what your particular hair needs, watch the videos that I've listed in the description below for a complete hair typing system by the Green Beauty channel and more. And that's it, for now at least. I mean, there's so much more information I want to share with you guys, so ask any questions you have below. I'm still getting started myself, still learning as much as I can along the way. Special thanks to all those who've been here with me from the beginning. Y'all, we are almost at 100,000 subscribers, and I couldn't have done it without you guys, seriously. So thank you so much. I know that I'm transitioning my channel away from doing other people's hair so much and focusing more on my own. But honestly, guys, I have a daughter now, and as much as I'd like to keep covering my hair up with braids and weaves or just totally neglecting it when I don't feel like it, it's important for me to learn how to love myself naturally, because that's exactly what I want to teach her. In this world of Instagram models, plastic surgery, and fake everything, I just would hate for my daughter to develop unnecessary insecurities because she's trying to live up to an image that is just not real, when God has blessed her, just like He's blessed you, with a natural beauty that nobody can take away from you. And it can only be enhanced when you first learn to love yourself and what you've been blessed with naturally. That is my ultimate tip that I hope you guys get from this video. Please subscribe, hit the bell to be notified about all of my upcoming videos. Follow me on Instagram at It's Me, Miss Ruby, and I'll see you next time. Oh my gosh, shout out to you for making it to the end of the video, okay? I just wanted to say thank you again. I hope that you subscribe to my channel because I have some really good videos coming up. I'm not just a hairstylist or somebody who's obsessed with my own curls. I am an all-around creator, so I just love all things entertainment, from singing, dancing, acting, writing, whatever. So I'm trying to do some fun stuff on this channel this year, y'all. So make sure you subscribe. Follow me on Instagram as well so you can kind of just stay in tune with me, because I'm not dropping that many videos this year because I have a new baby, and realistically it's just not happening the same this year as it has for me in the past. But I'm still taking your requests, so let me know. And if you're subscribed, make sure you hit the bell so that you can be notified every time I do upload something. This is only the beginning. I have a whole lot more that I want to address, so let's get it started. Let's go.